Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving deep into a comprehensive review of Gate.io, focusing on its fantastic bonuses and referral program. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this review will give you all the insights you need. And don't forget, you can use the Gate.io referral code LONGLONG to get some amazing bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about Gate.io itself. Gate.io is a renowned cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust features, user-friendly interface, and top-notch security measures. But what makes Gate.io stand out? Gate.io offers a wide range of features designed to cater to all types of traders. From spot trading to margin and futures trading, you have a variety of options. The platform supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies, giving you plenty of opportunities to diversify your portfolio. One of Gate.io's unique selling points is its advanced trading tools, which include leverage options and detailed charting tools, ideal for professional traders. Now let's dive into the bonuses and referral program. Gate.io has a fantastic referral program that rewards you for bringing in new users. Here's how it works. Using referral code LONGLONG. When you sign up, enter the referral code LONGLONG to unlock exclusive bonuses. Earning bonuses. Both you and your referees earn bonuses. This can include trading fee discounts, bonus tokens, and more. New user bonus. New users can earn up to $10,000 by participating in the Lend and Earn program. Welcome bonus. Register and complete KYC to earn up to $2,000 in welcome bonuses. Extra bonus. Join and complete specific tasks to win thousands of Gate.io points and tokens. Signing up on Gate.io is straightforward. You'll need to go through a quick verification process to unlock all features. The user interface is intuitive, whether you're accessing it via desktop or the mobile app. Beginners will find the platform easy to navigate, while advanced traders can utilize more sophisticated tools and charting options. Remember, using the referral code LONGLONG when you sign up can get you some nice bonuses to start your trading journey. Now, let's talk about fees. Gate.io is known for its competitive trading fees. The fees are quite low compared to other major exchanges, making it a cost-effective option for frequent traders. Withdrawal fees are also reasonable, and there are ways to minimize these costs by using Gate.io's native token, if applicable. Security is a top priority for Gate.io. The platform employs advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, withdrawal whitelist, and cold storage for the majority of funds. Gate.io has a solid track record with no major security breaches, which gives users confidence in the safety of their assets. Customer support on Gate.io is accessible through multiple channels, including live chat and email. There's also an extensive help center with guides and FAQs. While response times can vary, many users report positive experiences with the support team's helpfulness and professionalism. Let's break down the pros and cons of Gate.io. Pros: wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options, low trading fees, strong security measures, user-friendly interface, excellent advanced trading tools. Cons: occasional slow customer support, response times. Advanced features may be complex for complete beginners compared to other top exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Gate.io stands out for its low fees and advanced trading tools. While Binance offers a broader range of cryptocurrencies and Coinbase is known for its beginner-friendly interface, Gate.io provides a balanced mix of features that cater to both novice and experienced traders. Here are some insights from real users. Many praise Gate.io for its comprehensive features and low fees. The advanced trading tools are often highlighted as a major plus, especially for professional traders. However, a few users noted that the platform could be overwhelming for absolute beginners. Overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. To wrap it up, Gate.io is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrencies. Its wide range of features, low fees, and robust security make it a top contender in the crypto exchange space. And don't forget to use the referral code LONGLONG when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!